How to muffle audio in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Head up to Effects and search for Equalizer. Drag the parametric equalizer onto your audio clip. Then come up to Effect Controls and click Edit. Click into Presets and then select Generic Low Pass. Move your playhead to the beginning of your track and then start playing through your video while configuring this handle here. We want to drag it down and left until you're happy with the muffle noise. And once you're happy, you can close out of the effect. We can fade this in by simply duplicating this clip. Hold Option or Alt on your clip, drag it down, click the second clip, click Parametric Equalizer and delete it. Then click and drag however long you want the original to last for and bring this up to your track. And then just simply add a fade by clicking on the clip edge and pressing Shift and D. And then you can zoom in and alter the length of the fade like so. This will allow you to go from having normal audio to having muffled audio. And that's all there is to it.